bringing you another episode. In today's episode, we have a technical analysis on Syscoin here, currently up about 1% for the day, sitting at 39 cents. We're looking at the Satoshi value, currently down almost about 3%, sitting just below 5,000 at 4,590. But really quick though, folks, before we do that, let's go ahead and run through the market. Market cap sitting at 405 billion. Today's volume is 22.6 billion. Bitcoin dominant sitting at 36.6. Bitcoin slightly above 8,700, folks, up almost 4% for the day, sitting at. Sorry about that. I blanked out for a second. Up 3.5%, sitting at 8,725. Ethereum up 4%, sitting at 730. Ripple up 4%, sitting at 74. Bitcoin Cash up 2.5, sitting at 1,400. EOS up 1, sitting at 14, below 15. I think that's a steal. Litecoin up almost 7, sitting at 146. Cardano up almost 2, sitting at 27. Lumen's up 4, sitting just below 37. IOTA's back below $2. Tron in the number 10 spot. Nice new logo they got up there. How long have they had this? I don't think I've noticed this for too long. At least not on CoinMarketCap. Neo up 5%, sitting just below 70 at $67. Who are the big winners today? Zcash up 45, nice. CyberMiles up 22. Enigma up 20. Huobi token up 17. Redcoin up almost 17. Power Ledger up 15. Big losers. Kin down 11. DentaCoin down 10. Centrality down almost 9. ARC down almost 3. 0x down almost 3 as well. You folks came in for some Syscoin. Market cap sitting at 213 million. Today's volume is 2.6 million. Circulating supply 533 million. Max supply 888 million. Major exchanges here, folks. Binance, Bittrex, Upbit, Poloniex, Livecoin, and Binance again. Yobit and Biddy looks like are the major exchanges. Let's go ahead and look at some price action, folks. This is BTC to USD on the daily. Looks like we did find support here at our 8,300 zone. Let's see. Switch over to the 4 hour, see what the 4 hour is showing us. So we have a nice little double bottom here. Other than that, we've kind of just been consolidating. Looks like we did find support here, possibly forming a higher low. As you can tell, price bounce came as low as 8,600. Since then, we've kind of just been hanging out from 8,600 to about 8,700. Looks like we could be forming another higher low here. We have a higher low here. Looks at another higher low here. What I'm waiting for, folks, is the break and close above 8,700. Once we get the break and close above 8,700, should be good to go. But if you want to play it safe, you could probably just wait for the break and close above 8,800, and then you're good to go as well. But I'm I'm an aggressive trader, so I'm going to be taking an entry at 8,700 when we get the close in the 4 hour, which is in the next 2.5 hours. So we'll see. Let's go ahead and take a look at Ethereum. This is Ethereum USD on the daily. Expecting our nice little uptrend, formed a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Let's go ahead and take a look at the 4 hour. As you can tell, momentum starting to shift towards the upside on the daily. Let's go ahead and switch over to the 4 hour. I'm tired, that's what it is. It's been a long day. So bottom one, let's say our potential second bottom here. So what I'm waiting for, folks, before I take an entry on Ethereum, is the break and close above 738. Once we get the break and close above 738 on the 4 hour, should be good to go. Right now, momentum looks like we're kind of heading towards the downside temporarily. However, price showing us higher lows, higher lows. So waiting for the break and close on the 4 hour above 738. If we get the break and close on the 4 hour above 738, should be good to go. I know I'm getting tired because I'm definitely repeating myself. I hear myself. And I'm annoying, I know. So taking a look at Litecoin to USD on the daily, higher high, higher low, higher high. This low is not a higher low. However, still respecting our uptrend. Momentum is heading towards the upside still. Let's go ahead and take a look at the 4 hour, see what the 4 hour is showing us. 4 hour is showing us a double bottom as well. Bottom one, bottom two. Let me go ahead and fix bottom one because that wasn't even below it. Price respecting. Is there anything here? No, nothing there. Get rid of that line. However, we do have some wicks forming here, so it does look like we're starting to find some support. Let's go ahead and take a look at the hourly, See if we can get a better idea. So this is the double bottom we had. Prices then retraced to the top of our double bottom. It looks like we're looking for support. And as of right now, we have support. I'm not taking an entry just yet. What I'm waiting for, folks, is the break and close above 148 on the hourly. Once we get the break and close above 148 on the hourly, Litecoin should be good to go. Does look like momentum is starting to bottom out. Just gonna have to be patient with this one. Litecoin has been moving a little bit slower this year than I expected, but it's all right. Just gotta be patient. Be patient. Be patient. I say it a lot because it's just how it works sometimes. But wait for the break and close above 148 on the 4-hour or the hourly, and then should be good to go. I'll be doing it on the hourly. But let's go ahead and you folks, take a look at Syscoin today. That's what you folks came here. So this is Syscoin to BTC on the daily. Bittrex is the broker. TradingView is the platform we're looking at. So this is what I see right off the bat. Let me go ahead and take out my paintbrush. Looks like we have a huge W forming. That's what I'm expecting. Are we gonna get it? Who knows? We did get a bearish engulfing here yesterday's daily candle, so we should be actually seeing this price break. Are we gonna hold at the trend line? Who knows? Again, we have to be patient. But I'm actually expecting it to retrace down to about 4,050 satoshis. But let's go ahead and take a look at the 4-hour, see if we can get a better idea. See, the 4-hour is actually a little choppy. That's why you can't really tell. So looking at the daily was showing me we're going to continue to head towards the downside. So we're currently sitting at about 4,600 satoshis here on Bittrex. We could potentially hold. We could have a bottom 1 here and then bottom 2. And what that's going to be doing is that's going to be the beginning of our uptrend. However, it's kind of hard to tell because, as you can tell, price is a little choppy here. So we're going to have to stick to the daily here. And looking at the daily, we've got this bearish engulfing, so it's telling me price is going to continue towards the downside. Let me go ahead and get this out of the way. And I believe price is actually going to retrace to about this level at about 4,080 to 4,075 satoshis. And once we get to this level, I believe we'll have a nice bounce towards the upside. And that's not really going to break our trend line. Remember, all these lines are subjective. Some of us have them a little bit lower, some have us a little bit higher. But it's all, what works for you, what doesn't. So if this comes down to this level, I'm still considering this trend line to hold. And I am expecting it to come down to about 4,500 or 4,050 satoshi, sorry. But probably within the next day or maybe 2 days. But other than that, folks, that's what I'm waiting for. You can wait for the break and close of about 4,900 satoshis if we do decide to hold at this level. If not, wait for the bounce. But that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. Don't forget to re-steam, upvote, comment down below what kind of coins you guys are trying to see. If you guys are on YouTube, make sure you guys are subscribed and have post notifications turned on. I do post a new video every single day. Other than that, guys, thanks for watching. Take it easy. Peace.